Let's break down climate change and see how it connects to the way we live every day. Imagine Earth wrapped in a protective blanket of gases. This natural layer keeps our planet warm enough for life to thrive, shielding us from the cold of space. But when we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, we release extra gases, especially carbon dioxide, into the air. This makes that blanket thicker and traps even more heat. The result? The planet heats up, almost like piling on too many blankets at night until you start to sweat and feel uncomfortable. This is what scientists call the greenhouse effect. More fossil fuels mean a thicker, heavier blanket and a warmer Earth overall. This isn't a recent problem. For over a century, our factories, cars, and power plants have been burning these fuels, slowly building up the problem year after year. Now it's as if Earth has developed a fever. Weather feels more extreme and things just seem off balance. Our daily energy use, turning on lights, driving cars, heating and cooling our homes, is the main cause of this warming. But here's the good news. Understanding this connection means we can actually do something about it, both as individuals and as communities. The choices we make about how we use and produce energy really do matter, and small changes can add up. For generations, we've powered our lives with fossil fuels, but now we have the chance and the responsibility to rethink our habits and our future. The planet is sending us clear signals that it needs a break. Cracked Earth, dying forests, and melting ice are all signs we can't ignore. It's a big challenge, but we're not powerless. People everywhere are coming together to find solutions, from planting trees to inventing cleaner technologies. So, what does this warming world actually look like? And what can we do to help? Let's take a closer look. So, what does a feverish planet look like? Imagine a world where the familiar rhythms of nature are thrown off balance. The signs are everywhere, and they're becoming harder to ignore. Summers are hotter, heat waves more intense, cities sizzle under relentless sun, and people struggle to stay cool as temperatures break records year after year. Glaciers and ice caps melt at alarming rates, raising sea levels and threatening coastal communities. Ancient ice that once seemed eternal is vanishing before our eyes. Weather gets wild. Stronger storms, longer droughts, unpredictable floods. Hurricanes grow fiercer, rivers dry up, and rainfall patterns shift, making it harder to predict what comes next. Farmers struggle with ruined crops, making food scarcer and pricier. Harvests fail, and grocery store shelves reflect the strain, affecting families everywhere. Cities face flooding and dangerous heat, especially for the vulnerable. Elderly people and children are at greater risk, and communities must adapt to survive. Nature suffers too. Polar bears lose ice, coral reefs bleach and die. Iconic species and entire ecosystems are pushed to the brink. Animals and plants are forced from their homes. Forests shift, wildlife migrates to survive, and some species may disappear forever. Everything's connected. A warmer planet throws life out of balance. When one part of the web is disturbed, the effects ripple through entire ecosystems. These changes aren't distant. They're happening now, in real time, all around us. The evidence is visible in our landscapes and in our daily lives. Our choices ripple through the whole system. Every action, big or small, can help slow or speed up these changes. The signs are clear. We need to act. Scientists, activists, and communities are raising their voices, calling for urgent solutions. The world is changing fast. Our cities, our weather, and our way of life are all being reshaped by climate change. But we can change too. By coming together, making better choices, and supporting solutions, we can help shape a healthier, more resilient future for everyone. Here's the twist. Climate change is making our energy systems less reliable. Droughts dry up rivers, cutting hydropower. Storms and wildfires damage power lines and plants. Even fossil fuel plants struggle. Heat waves and droughts limit cooling water. The very system causing the problem is now at risk. Our old ways aren't just unsustainable, they're fragile. We need a smarter, stronger energy future. Here's the good news. Solutions are within our reach, and they're already making a difference. Around the world, people are coming together to rethink how we power our lives, and the results are inspiring. Clean energy, like solar and wind, doesn't pollute our air or water, and it never runs out. These sources harness the power of nature, providing us with electricity that's both reliable and sustainable. Thanks to new technology, solar panels and wind turbines are becoming more efficient and affordable every year, making it easier for everyone to access clean power. Storing energy with advanced batteries and smarter grids is key to making sure we have power when we need it, even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Switching to clean energy systems takes teamwork. Governments, companies, and communities all play a part. When we work together, we can make real progress. Every choice for clean energy, from using solar at home to driving electric vehicles, helps heal the planet and protect our natural resources for future generations. This is our chance to innovate, create new solutions, and inspire others to join us in protecting our future. The possibilities are endless when we work together. We can build a cleaner, safer world for everyone, a world where communities thrive and children grow up breathing clean air. It's a big challenge, but it's also an even bigger opportunity to create lasting change and a brighter future for all. Together, we can power a brighter tomorrow, one where our actions today lead to a better world for generations to come. Let's be kind to each other and to our planet. Every step we take matters, and together, we can make a real difference.